And this is where it all began. Leon, you gotta go. So Leon got evicted. But we promised you guys that Leon would not be coming down in vain because we had grand plans for what we were going to do with Leon. So here we go. Good morning from the ridge.
Good morning. We're back at it, y'all.
Yep.
So you seen in the last video that we got this two walls wired and insulated, which I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but it is because, well, we only have access to 2 walls at a time with everything that's in here. So we also have this huge stack of wood that Ryan and I milled up, which is Leon. So that's what we're starting today off because we need to get this out of the way.
To bring in more.
Yeah, to bring in more.
To finish this fall. So that we can move the stuff that we moved over there back to here so that we could do that side.
And we need the lumber to put the office wall up.
Yeah.
So, Tetris.
All right. Before I fall asleep, let's work.
We're just getting started. Let's go.
Okay. Right. So that's the seat, isn't it?
Okay, so the biggest. So 112. Let's make sure, because I know 8 feet fell on a stud. 112 should fall on the center of the stud, but let's go make sure.
Boy, the first nice day we have, I'm building stairs. Or we're doing the deck. One way or the other.
Should have brought that. Put a brush over.
catching on something.
We got her tight, didn't we? Yeah.
Looks like it's bowing a little bit at the bottom.
We can adjust if we...
Okay.
I should have grabbed a cover and we could have... But do you want a white cover on it, or are you going to go with...
Well, it's a white outlet, so yeah, it's going to be a white cover. I don't like them when they don't match.
Compressor.
Oh, it's unplugged.
This wall is so freaking cool.
Yeah. I love it. Well, we just finished lunch and
I think it dropped 10 degrees.
yeah. So we are going to cut the boards left for that wall, and then after that, we're not sure.
Yeah, well, we don't have all this stuff planned out. I don't know what y'all are expecting. You ready?
Yep. measurement. I'll go cut.
Oh no!
Like 7 and 7/8.
Ta-da! The first wall is done in the YouTube studio.
Hey, we have to hold that for a second though.
Oh, do it again.
Thumbnail. Okay. Helping you out later.
I know, thank you. That's supposed to be your job, mister. So, yeah, it turned out, we love it. And I'm actually looking forward to when the joints separate due to the drying, because I've got a really cool feature I'm going to be adding when those start to shrink. And I can't wait for that. But even as it is right now, it's amazing. So, y'all, we got Leon. This is Leon. You guys need to go back and check out that video when we brought Leon down. Everyone knew he needed to come down. And then we've got Leon Jr. up here.
Which was still part of Leon.
Still
it's just
part of Leon.
The upper part that was skinnier.
Thinner. And then right here and here, you have John. So we named this tree John because he hung out for about a year next to the porta-john that was here when we bought the...
Well, the old outhouse. It wasn't a
Outhouse.
porta-john, but yeah.
Yeah, the old outhouse. So it kind of sounds weird, but yeah, it made life so much better when we were working, because we're like, are we going to use Leon in this space, or are we going to use John, or are we going to use Leon Jr.? So, but we promised you guys we would put Leon to good use, and I think it looks amazing, so I couldn't be happier. All right, well, we're going to end this one here, and we've got some milling to do. We've got some other projects we need to work on. And that's all I'm going to say. Because every time I say something, it's always ends up being a plan change. So,
No, not around here.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, yeah, guys, if you're liking this, liking the content, if you're new here, any of that stuff, give us that thumbs up, share it out.
Yeah, because we're getting back to doing what we do. Right?
And we're back to the building part. We're trying to get regular videos out again.
Yeah.
Getting into that rhythm, and, you know, of course, the weather's been crap everywhere. And we thrive on the weather. Like, when it's nice weather, we're great. When it's not nice weather, we're not great.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Glad y'all came along.
Stick around.
Stick around. There's
Yep.
a lot more shenanigans.
Oh, my God, I know. I wake up way too early and come up with way too many things to do. So, all right. Peace out from the ridge.